Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ick and Billy's Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Ecom has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ecombilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
No, for the euro dollar, a consolidation pattern is forming here for this pair. We are looking for confirmation before going either side, but we need to keep an eye for fake out to the downside. We are biased to the upside and it could break down, fake out people and then go back up, right? So really look out. Our bias is to the upside. So we will just keep buying as long as the risk reward works in our favor, right? So we're looking for the upside. Let's say if it falls down here, we put the stop loss down here, right? We're getting like 1 to 2, which is pretty good. And if it falls down further, our risk reward is even better, right? So for the bull case, we think price needs to hold 1.156. Anything below that, we are a bit uncomfortable. Looks like it's going down for fake out before upside. So if it holds out, then we'll see you guys at 1.17. Now for the bear case, we may see further price discovery to the downside, though I don't think this is likely. It is still possible. And the reason why I say this is not likely is because I think there is macroeconomic clarity, right? The debt ceiling is raised until December. There is inflation, but it is already priced into the markets. We know that taper will come in mid-November and then possibly end mid-2022. And if in between there's any screw-ups, the Fed will always parachute in and save the markets. So I think there's macroeconomic clarity and risk-on pairs are looking for more upside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.